I don't want to drop. Woo!
Italy comes back. I don't know, these treble hooks have been good. They haven't been spitting them out.
Oh! Sorry. Got him. Woo!
Did you get that on film?
Yeah.
Kidding me?
No. Look how pretty he is, Dad.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh.
Boy, we have got the formula today, huh? He already spit out his hook?
I guess.
No, it's still in him.
It's still in there?
Yeah.
Let's show our viewers on my camera how much more fish we got here, actually.
They're actually swallowing these right down. Boy, that is the combination to use. I wonder if I use that bigger one, I would get my hook.
Look at all these fish.